Hey there, we're back. Let's do part 7 and 8 now. So, scrolling down past those other videos to part 7 and 8. Okay, part 7 and 8 are about if the element is a metal, a non metal, or a metalloid, and you can use that periodic table to look for that. So, you should be able to use this color coded one for that. And then you may have to look it up on um, so like californium. That's down here at the bottom. It's a rare earth metal, so we would say it's a metal. And then on germanium, germanium I believe is in there with the metalloids. Let's see, get this to load. Yeah, it's a metalloid. This thing calls them semi-metals, but that's a metalloid. Okay, so purple are metalloids. Um, Darker purple, blue are nonmetals, and gases are nonmetals as well. Okay, now for the next one, it wants to know if in part 8, if they're solid, liquid, or gas. So gases are easily found on that periodic table. There are only 2 liquids, and guess what? Bromine is a liquid. So there, I just gave you a liquid. There might be one more in your list here. There are 6 of them to do. So see if you can find out which ones are the liquids, and then the gases you should be able to find on your periodic table. Then on part 9, it wants to know which family does this description go with. Now, this is a little more difficult, and I'm going to link a slideshow in for you for this one. And we may have to spend a little bit more time on this section. But group 1, I told you a long time ago, was the most reactive metals. Okay. And so these description words go with, I should have said group 1, group 2. These are groups 3 through 12. I'll fix that so you guys can see. But the most active metals are the alkali metals. Halogens are group 17, noble gases are 18, and then lanthanides and actinides are those 2 bottom rows, which is the only family that contains the elements that are solids, liquids, and gases. And so you have to go back to the periodic table and you have to look and see which group. I think that's probably group 15 or 16. Let's see which one's got bromine in it. Solids, liquids, and gases. So it's group 18 because bromine is a liquid, mercury is the other liquid, and those are all solids otherwise. So solids, liquids, and gases are group 17. Okay, let's see here. So that's the halogens. Okay. Which ones don't react within nature? Which ones don't make compounds? I'm hoping you're thinking noble gases. Okay. Let's see. Can I get part? Most familiar metals. I hope you're thinking transition metals. Part 10. Okay, let's do part 10, 11. I think part 10 may be the last section, but it's got a lot of questions in it. I'll make its own video for part 10. And I need to link you a video or a book, a slideshow. A slideshow to that one.